Exclamation, everybody, and welcome to Copy Editor, a RegEx puzzle. It is by Christopher Jarvis and published by Syncmars Media. It's in early access right now on Steam, currently for $4 US. Anyone who's followed me for any length of time knows I like me some programming puzzles, particularly because I do programming for a living. So anything even remotely like that, I tend to gravitate towards. And this one is kind of programming, kind of not. I mean, programmers are very familiar with regexes or regular expressions as they're called. Um, Other people as well who aren't programmers are probably familiar with it too. If you've ever used them to make mass changes to texts and stuff like that. It's kind of one of those, you know, middle ground things, I think. I'm kind of interested to see how they've done this to make it into like a puzzle game. I want to jump right into it. And this is the first screen. We've literally jumped right into it. It's early access, so I'm not, we'll see how early it is. And we'll see if I can figure out what they want me to do here. I think I know what they want me to do, but we'll read the stuff and we'll give this game a half an hour to show us what it's got. So let me go into full screen here. Where's the button? Must find the button. There is the button. Okay, and now 30 minutes starting now. All right. So, as best of times, it's the worst of times. Okay, so we got Tale of Two Cities. So, level 1, what the dickens? What the heck happened to our new reprint of A Tale of Two Cities? What do you mean? The tense is all wrong. How does something like this even happen? Looks right to me. Maybe the new hire can help. Someone from IT walk them through it. Use find and replace it and JS. Oh, JavaScript regular expressions. Okay, well, that's not quite as complicated as others, but sure. All right. To fix the errors in the text. In other words, get the stuff on the left to look like the stuff on the right. I got you started. You'll need a special regx symbol for this. \s. Look at the regxp tab above for more info. It'll keep you updated as you go along. Okay. Find matches the string and, but not pan or ant. Oh, so yeah, \s means it's word boundaries, if I'm not mistaken. Or I'm sorry, not word boundaries. Word boundaries is /w. It's white space. That's what it matches, all types of white space. So they want me to change is to was and are to were. So find is and replace it with was. Oh wow. Okay. Yeah. Make sure I do it on word boundaries as they said. Oh. It, oh, because the quotation mark was it was best times. Oh, it's not putting any space. Oh, interesting. Oh yeah, because I didn't have like a. Oh, because it's matching the space, so it was replacing the space with. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. So then we do have had and okay, and then are with were 3 rules and 37 total characters. Solve the level using 16 fewer total characters, earn another star. Okay. So they're doing like the whole optimized thing that a lot of these things do. So then, so I could do it this way. So I was wondering how complicated. Well, um, is it's not because trying to replace it. I mean, I could do. How would I do that more? So it's 11. They would want 16. So is um I wonder if they do the you're only doing one replace, so I can't like do, I could put it in parentheses like is and are, but you're only replacing it with the first thing. So I wonder though. I mean the are were that we're at 18 now. You said 16 was optimal. I guess I could. Well, you need this here. Not really, right? 16. Um, they did it in 16 though. I think because they said 16. This is 22. What? Oh, using one fewer total characters earn another. Okay. I need one fewer character. Yeah. Well, I need this, right? Yeah. Because I'm matching that. I wonder if that will. If I put this. No. I don't think. Even if I were to put it in parentheses as a matching thing, it probably wouldn't work. All right. Well, that's fine. We'll just go to the next one. All right. Forward march. How is the forward to middle march coming along? All done. Chad, really? What? George Eliot was a woman, you big dope. Oh, what? Okay. So his or so made them his instead of her and she. Uh, woman. He. Interesting. So if we were to do the other thing is we have to ignore case, right? Which does this automatically ignore case? I'm gonna assume they automatically ignore case. So if I do his, no, it doesn't. It doesn't automatically ignore case. Uh, I I can't tell it to like lowercase, so I have to do like that. The problem is capitalization there. I'm gonna lose. Like it actually shows that it's not doing that. Yeah. So I can't, I mean that's valid, but it's not gonna work the way they want it to work. So he and she. Wait. Uh, oh, yeah. I do it on both sides because it matches the rhetorical, the historical. Right. Um. Oh, wait. I missed. Did I do something? Oh, his career. Wait. I'm getting confused now. Yeah, because then they're talking about His Majesty King William, which is correct. Uh, oof, they made this. They made this really interesting. Okay, let's clear these. See what I started with there. Um, do- oh, yeah, because there's another is there, so it's really going to be um. So his and his, it's her and her. So his, her. That works. Or does it? Oh, there's another one in there. Hey, Madge. This is this is copy editor a RegEx puzzle game. Um, which is already kicking my butt, and I'm actually pretty good at regexes, but this one's tricky. Um, ahead of his time. Why did that not? So his brooding, his time. If I do his. His brooding, his time. Oh, historical. Well, let's go this. Oh, I see. There's an additional his up here. I've got to do his and time and his brooding in order to get those. To just duplicate the right side. Yes. So the right side is what it's supposed to be, and the left side is what it currently is. So um, in this case, this puzzle they misgendered George Eliot. So whenever there's a reference to George Eliot, instead of being his and man, it should be her and woman. Yeah. So this one's got to be so his. Um, yeah, I know. His, he, her, he, and then his. I got it. Go away. I accidentally hit spacebar. I'm sorry. His B would be her. And then he. What does he match? The space on both. He tackles. That's right. Okay. So he, B, E tackles. All right. And then man to woman. To woman. And then his six is S two is her S. Okay. It's 5 rules and 55 characters. Solve the level using 15 fewer total characters or 2 fewer rules to earn another star. Wow. Yeah, I figured this is pretty bad. Um, the problem is I don't want it to replace the T and the B. I just want it to match those. How do I tell it to just match? Yeah, no, I get that, but I'm looking for. I want to match. Oh, this is interesting. This and debug RegEx. Huh. No, I want to match it, but I don't want to replace it. That's the thing. If I do, I guess I could. I do. What's the? Oh, let me think. What's a matcher that doesn't do a replacement? But feels like it replaces everything though. Really not what I want. Like if I do a wait, let me look at the guide here. Output objective, find and replace. RegEx tabs, expression, complexity, multiple selections. Really the help I'm looking for. How do I tell it I want to? That's not. That's not particularly happy. Um, next quiz. That's not what I'm looking for either. So ECMAScript is JavaScript. What this uses. Not tell me. Like if I wanted to place part of match. Let's email regex validation, which is ridiculous. Just to make sure that somebody entered an email address. It's that crazy. If not more. Yeah, I just want to replace. That's now stuck open. Something's wrong with that. Was that no? All right, that's just gonna be stuck open. Um, see, it's won't let me do. You saw that one had GIM at the end of it. G is global, replace I is ignore case. Won't let me seemingly do ignore case, which would help with this one down here at least. Um, if I see, it doesn't really matter what. Well, it kind of does because there's some hises in here that I don't want to replace, like His Majesty. It should not be Her Majesty. It should be His Majesty. Is not referring to Elliot. These two could be combined as long as it didn't match that one. So like if I did T or B there, right, it would match those. His time, his brooding. The problem is that it's matching too much. And I'm trying to figure out how to make it so that it ignores this as far as the replacement goes. Well, maybe I can do her Can I do like $1 for the first match? Oh wait, I think that worked. His time, his brooding. Her time, her brooding. Okay, that worked. All right, so $1 is a whenever you do parentheses in a regex, it's called a match. Get the name of it. Like a match class, sort of, and you can refer to them as like 1 through 9. Um, I think you can have even more than that, but you usually don't need more than that. And then so I can just say. So when I say $1, I'm saying replace the match I had with whatever you matched in the parentheses, whatever letter you matched in the parentheses. Um, and I think $0 is the entire match or something like that. So, okay, so that works. That gets me down to that, which means I can also put one here. That, but it's got to be S there, and then that would be $2, and this would be $1. I could get rid of that then. Okay, and he's a she and a woman. Be fine. Dog level using 5 fewer total characters to earn another star. I guess, I mean, that's fine for now. We'll just do that. But now I know that they actually support that thing. Oh my god, we're like super light mode now. Just not what I want. Holy crap. It's blinding. It's blinding. Okay, so we're looking at Bible now. Let there be light. Ah, my eyes. You're right. Those numbers make it really hard to read. What? It burns. Do you have a new light theme for working? Ah, help. You can easily toggle back and forth in the settings. Yes, please. How do I? Where's the settings at? Dark. Whew. Okay, that's better. um, so I prefer light theme. This is great. I don't even know who you are anymore. Condense the 2 spaces after period stuff, and let's get all that chapter verse junk out of there. Keep it punchy. The verse numbers are important. I'm not sure I'm okay with that morally. I will not be lectured on morality by someone who prefers light themes or dark. You can now match digits with the D command. Yeah, okay. I know how to match digits. So they want me to just get rid of the chapter verse digits. Okay. Seems simple enough. So let's E. And replace it. There too many spaces there now? Oh, there's one too many spaces. So oh, of course there would be a chapter 10 there, 11. So really it's the E star. There we go. So I have, and then I just need one space there. Wait, what? I'll tell you, I need to change verses too. Yeah, I know. Does it tell me I have too much space? Not enough space? I have too much. Now I have too few. Let's try. Oh boy, that's annoying. The one too many spaces now. Some of them had more spaces than. Oh right, because they were two digits. Ugh. Star. Will that work? Any number of spaces. You know what? Let's do this. Do that, and then that, and we'll do that, and then just one space here. Boom. Use one rule and 13 characters. Solid level using one fewer total characters earn another star. One fewer total characters. Nope. One fewer, you say? Oh well. I mean, we got close. That's enough for me. What in the hell am I looking at? Someone broke my heart. The ASCII to my heart. Oh, it's an ASCII heart, it's supposed to be? Oh, chin up. There are other efficiency. What? No, the graphics for our Valentine's Day promotion are all messed up. It just looks like a bunch of random H's and B's to me. You need to change the font size. Hold down Control and scroll on either pane. Use a plus and minus keys, the up and down arrows. Oh, nice. Okay. Oh, it's literally a broken heart. That's cute. That's cute. Well, that's so cool. Newbie, you can handle this, right? I can only work on serious literature. So it's just got like extra faces in there. It looks cute. Or it's got well, it's supposed to be all B's, right? Oh, I see. So it's supposed to be like if you find any a letter other than B, replace it with a B, I bet. So if I do what is it? Tilde B is not, I think, and then replace it with B. Now, what is the not? Is it exclamation point? Is it? No. There's a negation. You can say like anything that's not the match any character that's not D and replace it with D. Although that would also probably mess up these spaces up in here that are supposed to be there. But anyway, we've gone over time. That was a half an hour for this game. I was, in a way, I was saved by the bell, I would say. On that one. That one was tougher than that was tougher than I thought it was going to be, honestly, because I'm fairly good at regexes, but yeah, these are tough like right out of the gate. I thought they were going to give me some softballs to begin with, but no, they really threw you in there. I think the one thing I would say it's missing is a cheat sheet for the different RegEx stuff. Like I know it's got it here, and it's only telling you the things that necessarily matter, but it's not telling you everything. Like that last RegEx, like I just because I happen to know about matching and stuff like that, I was able to do that, but it took me a while to remember it because very rarely do you need to do that. And yeah, like I feel like they need something that's like, here's a cheat sheet for all the RegEx stuff that we support, because every time you open up a puzzle game, you're never quite sure if it's a subset of the RegEx or it's the full set. You know what I mean? Just like the programming puzzle games, you're never sure if it's like the full, like does it know all the control statements or does it only know a few control statements? You know what I mean? So it would be nice to just be able to say, like, just give me a full cheat sheet on everything. And they tried. They give you this RegEx.js help, but that just crashed and didn't really give me what I was looking for. I was just literally looking for a cheat sheet. I mean, I could Google it. I mean, that'd probably take me 2 seconds to Google it and get the whole list of stuff. But that's something that they could probably put in here. And this is early access, so it would be a good addition to it to kind of show you what's going on and all that stuff. But yeah, this, my friends, has been Copy Editor, a RegEx puzzle. It is by Christopher Jarvis and published by Syncmars Media. It's in early access right now on Steam, currently $4 US. If you are looking for a nice challenge, or you want to make this heart whole again, by all means, you're not going to break the bank doing it. If you're a fan of puzzle games, there you go. As always, for those who will be watching the recording, I will leave links down in the description so you can do your own due diligence. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you